Hello friends, let's drawing house from the basic shapes. Rectangle for the wall of the house. Triangle for the roof. Another rectangle for the door and the windows. Triangle for the triangle tree. Circle for the circle tree. Another rectangle for the tree trunks and the ground. Let's drawing it. First, I want to drawing rectangle for the wall of the house. Please try to drawing it with me. It's gonna be awesome. I love to drawing and painting so much. Then I want to drawing the triangle for the roof. And rectangle for the door. And the windows. I love to live in my house. Do you love your house too? Home sweet home. And draw the triangle for the triangle tree.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
And draw the circle for the circle tree.
My ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
Let's drawing the ground.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Picking time. Let's coloring the house. Red for the roof. Yellow for the wall. Light blue for the windows. Purple for the door. Brown for the tree trunks. Pink for the triangle tree. Violet for the circle tree. And green for the ground. Thanks for watching. If you have clicked subscribe button, I really appreciate it. See you on the next videos.